All right, y'all, so it has been super hot, humid, rainy, and everything here in Austin lately. And so I came to check on my tomato plants, and I noticed that there was some mushrooms growing, and so I wanted you guys to see it. What kind of mushrooms are these? Super furry, and there's a few of them. I personally love looking at mushrooms. I think they're so cool. And there's so many varieties. Please leave me a comment if you know what kind of mushroom this is. Got the little guy down here growing. So cool. And some baby tomato plants growing over there.